Most people think wild boars are just wild pigs, but the truth is far more surprising. These powerful animals are fast, intelligent, fearless, and can survive in some of the toughest environments on Earth. Today, you'll discover whoosha amazing wild boar facts that will completely change the way you see these incredible animals. Let's get started. Fact number 1. Many people think wild boars are just wild pigs, but in reality, they are powerful and highly intelligent animals. Fact number 2. Wild boars are the ancestors of most domestic pigs found around the world. Fact number 3. A fully grown wild boar can weigh more than 200 kilograms, 440 pounds. Fact number 4. Despite their heavy bodies, wild boars can run up to 50 kilometers per hour, 31 miles per hour. Fact number 5. Wild boars have an excellent sense of smell that helps them find food hidden underground. Fact number 6. Their strong snouts act like natural shovels for digging roots, insects, and mushrooms. Fact number 7. Wild boars are omnivores and eat almost anything they can find. Fact number 8. Their diet includes roots, fruits, insects, eggs, small animals, and even carrion. Fact number 9. Male wild boars grow long, sharp tusks that continue growing throughout their lives. Fact number 10. Those tusks are used for defense and for fighting rival males. Fact number 11. Wild boars usually become most active during the evening and at night. Fact number 12. They often travel in family groups called sounders, led by an experienced female. Fact number 13. Adult males usually prefer living alone except during the breeding season. Fact number 14. Wild boars are excellent swimmers and can easily cross rivers. Fact number 15. Their thick skin helps protect them from scratches and bites. Fact number 16. Wild boars cool themselves by rolling in mud. Fact number 17. Mud also helps protect them from insects and the hot sun. Fact number 18. Baby wild boars have brown coats with light stripes that help them stay hidden. Fact number 19. Those stripes gradually disappear as the young boars grow older. Fact number 20. A mother wild boar fiercely protects her piglets from predators. Fact number 21. Wild boars have surprisingly good hearing. Fact number 22. They communicate using grunts, squeals, and body language. Fact number 23. Wild boars are found across Europe, Asia, and parts of North Africa. Fact number 24. They can survive in forests, grasslands, mountains, and even snowy regions. Fact number 25. Wild boars are highly adaptable, which is one reason they are found in so many different habitats. Fact number 26. Wild boars have an excellent memory and can remember safe feeding areas for years. Fact number 27. A wild boar's powerful jaw can easily crack hard nuts and roots. Fact number 28. They use their tusks to defend themselves against wolves, bears, and other predators. Fact number 29. Wild boars can leap over obstacles surprisingly well despite their heavy bodies. Fact number 30. They often communicate with family members using different grunts and squeals. Fact number 31. Wild boars have thick, bristly hair that helps protect them from cold weather. Fact number 32. They are most active during cooler hours to avoid the daytime heat. Fact number 33. Wild boars can detect underground food using their powerful sense of smell. Fact number 34. They often dig large areas of soil while searching for roots and insects. Fact number 35. Wild boars are surprisingly fast and can quickly escape danger. Fact number 36. A frightened wild boar may charge at incredible speed to defend itself. Fact number 37. Piglets stay close to their mother because she protects them from predators. Fact number 38. Wild boars help forests by turning over soil, which allows new plants to grow. Fact number 39. They also spread seeds as they travel through forests. Fact number 40. Wild boars are intelligent animals that quickly learn where to find food. Fact number 41. They can adapt to many different climates, from hot forests to snowy mountains. Fact number 42. Wild boars are strong enough to push through thick bushes and dense forests. Fact number 43. Adult males usually become more solitary as they grow older. Fact number 44. Wild boars sometimes travel several kilometers in a single night while searching for food. Fact number 45. Their sharp tusks continue growing throughout their lives and become sharper as they rub together. Fact number 46. Wild boars can survive in areas close to humans if enough food and shelter are available. Fact number 47. Natural predators of wild boars include wolves, tigers, leopards, and large bears. Fact number 48. Wild boars play an important role in maintaining healthy forest ecosystems. Fact number 49. Despite their tough appearance, wild boars usually avoid humans whenever possible. Fact number 50. Wild boars are among the most adaptable mammals on Earth, surviving in a wide range of habitats thanks